Welcome to Trendy Startups. In today's video, we are going to show you how to install Linux on a Windows PC. Let's begin. First, we want to go to the Oracle VM VirtualBox website. We are going to go ahead and download VirtualBox. After you click the button, you'll go to the Windows hosts underneath VirtualBox platform packages. Go ahead and click that to start the download. Now go ahead and open the file. Follow the Setup Wizard prompts to complete installation, then you'll open the VMware. Next, you'll want to download Ubuntu. Go to the site and click Download at the top. Download the Ubuntu desktop software. Now go to the Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager and click on New at the top. For the name, just name it Linux. Go ahead and select the folder where you want to install it. For ISO image, select the Ubuntu ISO that you downloaded earlier. Set the type to Linux and the version to Ubuntu 64-bit. Now give yourself a username and password. As for the memory and processor, you should pick these settings equal to 40% of your PC specs. Finally, go ahead and click Finish. After it boots up, here's what it looks like. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and hope to see you soon.